Hello, I'm Keith at Clint and welcome to my video channel. This video channel is actually a pre-launch announcement to describe more of what we shall be doing in the future. Before I get started, I must take my coat off. It's a little bit warm in here, and then we can get comfortable. I'll tell you all about it. Okay, here we go. I'm going to change the camera position at the moment so we can get comfortable. Oops. Here we are. Yeah, I think that's about it. So, what's this channel all about? It's to welcome people who are interested in manufacturing, sales, and people with home workshops. It's really a masterclass in marketing as well as manufacturing, and to do it successfully, this was a real life study. It's not just out of a textbook and how to market, promotion and things like that. This is a real life study. So this will be going on YouTube within the next 2 weeks. So it's essential at this stage, if you could please subscribe to the channel, and then you'll not miss it. You'll be notified when it's going to be launched and when it's going to be published. So as I say, it's a real life study. I know, because I did it and it worked. As I say, it's also suitable for any person that may not have a particular interest in marketing, but they may be setting up a home workshop, and or that they might think about starting a home workshop. So what I'm going to be doing here is to show people how to turn the home workshop hobby or pastime into a lucrative part-time business. So it'll enable you to earn as you learn, and especially for people who are interested in engineering and they're setting lathes up and milling machines and things like that. So you don't have to worry if you don't know too much about it, because in my future videos I shall be doing tutorials with lathe work and things, all sorts of things like that. I also have a training in Clint's Academy, which is ideal for people who are just starting and they want to know what they can make. So this gives an insight in what they can make, and I even suggest various examples that have proved successful in the past. So that will be handy. That's on the Academy page. The actually tutorials, they're free, as this next one will be on the marketing. The masterclass in marketing you can view that for free as well, and you may learn something. Even your experienced marketing people, I'm sure you could learn something from it. So I think you'll find it interesting. So let me have a look now. So we're doing. It's also training departments or doing sales training. Or even begins wanting to get into sales and things. That is also covered in my future videos. Right. And let me tell you, age is of no consequence. Well, it's not ageist, this, and it's not sexist. It could be applied for any gender. It could be for people who are still attending school, or it could be other people who are retired, or maybe unfortunately facing redundancy, which is a very problematic thing these days. And the other thing is, if people are retiring and they've worked at the same place for many years, then it's good for them to have an interest. Because I know of too many people that have been working at one particular place for years and years. They retire, and within 2 or 3 years they've gone. It's not much fun. So to maintain an interest in things, this will help those type of people as well. So whether it's a hobby, what you're looking at, or a potential business, if you have got an interest in engineering, it will be helpful. So the future videos will show you how to make your home workshop pay. So keep on looking, even if you're not interested in the marketing side, because the future videos will include tutorials, and if you have any questions you can make comments, and I'll help you all I can. It's essential, as I say at this stage, please hit the subscribe button and like it if you will, and that will help me for my marketing of this particular video production. So I'm intending to publish them every couple of weeks, or maybe more. It depends how things go. It's a new venture, and I'm pretty new to this video business, so you know I've got to keep making alterations to the camera angle and things like that. So just bear with me. I don't profess to be an expert on this, and I'm not expecting to win any Oscars or BAFTA awards for this performance. So there you are. This is a pre-launch announcement. Please subscribe to this channel, and then you'll find it's interesting. I will tell you this, that when I say it's a masterclass in marketing, it really is. Imagine this scenario. You're trying to sell something to someone. Okay, you design a product, and then you market what you're looking at. The people there turn around and say to you, oh, we don't want to know about that sort of product. We've tried all this thing. It doesn't work. Yeah, well, you can accept that in its face value as a no, or you can accept it as a challenge, which I did. And even though I was told it was no good and it's not going to work, let me tell you this, it changed the perception and methodology that was used in pharmacology research establishments internationally throughout the world. Now, up until then, pharmacology meant to me a visit to the chemist with a prescription. I didn't know much about pharmacology, but I know quite a bit more now. But the thing is, this particular the method I use to make my product acceptable, you could use it on other products as well, but maybe in a different way. You've just got to have confidence in yourself to do it. This masterclass, this will be published shortly on YouTube, will explain all I had to do to achieve what I did. Not only that, I had fun. You have fun on the way, because while I was doing it, it took me around the world. Because if you imagine, from concept to not just domestic sales, but from an idea design concept to domestic sales and international sales, how long is that going to take? I did it in 6 months. I know it sounds incredible for your marketing people, but it did. And I got international sales within 6 months from conceiving the idea. So my masterclass will tell you all about it. It's worth watching. You'll learn something from it. So what I'm going to do now is to, let me see if I've got any of the notes that I've not missed. Yeah. Oh yeah, what I was saying is, I had fun on the way going internationally, because I travelled to some of the world's most exotic places as a result. It was wonderful. You know, places where it was film sets for James Bond's films in Hong Kong and China, and loved exotic other locations like in Miami and Hawaii, Australia, Bondi Beach and Manly Beach, even historic Maori encampments in New Zealand. This particular product, what I'm saying, worked, and you learn about it on my masterclass. You really need to look at it and watch it. And I'd like your comments anyway. So please subscribe to my channel. Be much obliged. And if you give me a like, it'll be even better. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.